All right, guys. We got a Mazda cx5. This is a 2017 model, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this into a mode where we can do the rear service on the parking brake, which they're electric parking brake. So what we're gonna do is we got the key in here. So we're gonna do this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this parking button here. You're gonna push down on this parking when I tell you. First of all, press this twice, once, twice, 2 times. Take your foot on the gas pedal, push it all the way down, hold this button down. 1, 2, 3. Rear caliper has retracted. Notice how I pressed it. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Okay, slowly. You don't want to press it too fast. It won't work. Okay, so the ignition will turn off and turn back on when you push it 3 times, and you will start to hear in the back. So once you're done, complete job, your brake job is done. You want to put it back into original mode. You want to retract the caliper back. So you do the same thing. Okay. Now when you're doing the brake, you can shut this off. Do your brakes. You come back. What you want to do is you want to press 1, 2. You're gonna push the gas pedal all the way down. You're gonna hear a click. Now you're gonna pull this up and hold it up. Okay, and then same thing. 1, 2, 3. Bada bing, bada boom. You're all done. Your brake pad your caliper has been retracted, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this little tutorial here, how to put this into a service mode. And that's it. You're all done. Thank you for watching.